Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share from one of a kind, company made computer software trading, profitability based trading alert, technical analysis, and company philosophy. And I'm coming from you live outside of Rivian in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois. As you can see, we have a beautiful, stunning, gorgeous, glowing, late spring, beautiful morning, seasonable temperatures in the 50s, not a cloud in the sky, and nothing to see but corn, cars, and manufacturing going on around here. And you come here for the most trusted source in blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates here on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency sphere. As that's right, old Vincenzo's brought back truth and integrity back into the market. And you can see, we'll start with XLM, just a quick rundown. It's the weekend, thinly traded. We were telling you up here on your prior blue ring, as soon as you broke down through that, when it was hitting here at the 22 cents and then initially at the 17 cents, once you broke down, you would either break down to the next blue ring or you would trade over to the next blue ring. And that's exactly what you did, using that purple dotted line as support on multiple pumps, right? As you can see, a helicopter taking off up there. See that? See him taking off and ascending away. That's what we're going to do here at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. We're going to ascend into the sunset, into profitability, as we fleece, heist, and chase the criminal gangsters and market manipulators that have infiltrated the trading market, the United States government and Federal Reserve in order to manipulate the stock market, the bond market, the gold and silver bullion market, and the cryptocurrency market. And you can see here we're trading back down to that 16 cents. And what I would look for this weekend is you just kind of dance around like this, right? You could come up into here, you could come down into there. You're just going to dance this whole weekend. You're going to trade in this range. So there's not going to be a whole lot going on. And that's what's going to be going on in XLM. But the key is going to be once you cross the 16-cent ring, right, does it initiate a big flush? And I think a big flush is on the table, but you have to first come up and then do a big flush. Or are you just going to keep trading, and as soon as you cross this, maybe you back test that, and then you have a huge flush, because eventually you are coming down here, and it's most likely once you get through this purplish ring that we got going on there. I changed the color scheme. Nope, it's still blue. I'm outside in the sun. You can see Cardano's the same thing. We had that fake hook-nosed U bearish reversal pattern that we talk about so much with the industry exclusive drawing tool. You can see it came down, came right up into the moving average at 200-day, and now I believe this weekend you're going to trade down in Cardano. And I would say my next gut feeling and call is Cardano in an up and down fashion. It gets down here before it gets anywhere above that old peak. I think you're coming to 63 cents. And then if we look at some of the altcoins, Dent, that people used to like, or Jerome likes, some other people, you can see it's down into the shithouse again. At the top of the shithouse, it's been flirting with it for quite some time, but it keeps holding support on it. If you're trying to get bullish in Dent, as you do know in the 3 or the 4 hour time frame, or in the 4 hour time frame, you need to bounce up and get over the 200-day, hold it as support, and then kick up, right? But what I fear that we got going on here is this is waiting for one last big flush to the bottom of this shithouse, all the way down there at about 12.001200, right? But if you get over that 200-day, you can try to pump up. But right now, it's not looking good. For Dent, Shiba coins in the same thing. After this massive blow-off hype train top back there where we had it circled, Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, me, yes, me. Vincenzo told you eventually we're going to flush because there was very little volume up there. Now we're below the major volume traded range, which is bearish. We're using that as resistance. See that red line? That's the major volume traded on this whole coin. And you can see now we got below it resistance, 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 down. You could try to come back up to the moving average, but this has all the ear markings of a bearish continuation pattern. And if we look at this bearish continuation pattern, you can see if we start marking it, we'll get our line out. You got your major overhead resistance right there, downtrending, and then you got your underneath support. And I think your next move in here is going to the orange support zone. After you finish this out, you break down, you're coming all the way down to that 0.00001318, top part of that orange support zone. And as we know, the orange support zone is the last line of defense to the shithouse. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Peace and love.